Hi everyone, my name is Julianne Albion. I'm very excited to be taking this class. I'm 25 years old, and this is my last class before starting grad school, hopefully, for occupational therapy. I'm really excited. I've taken chemistry before. I have some ideas of chemistry, but I'm really excited to learn it at this level with professor and everybody in our class. I'm excited to use discussion boards and connect. I heard really good things about that, so I'm really excited for that. I hope that it'll be really good practice for us. But besides school, some things I like to do are take care of my dogs. You can see them right here. It's really cool. They keep you busy. They definitely keep you busy, especially during time like this. So I graduated college 2017 with a bachelor's of business administration and marketing and a bachelor's in psychology. And pretty much didn't really like business anymore, so now I'm going into the medical field, which is really cool and really exciting because my dad's a doctor and I never really got forced to be a doctor and things like that, so it's really cool how I just kind of ended up in the science field. I'm not too sure if I'm even that good in science, but after years of observing occupational therapy, that's definitely where I want to go, and I'm really excited to be starting that because after sitting at a desk for a little bit and not being so one-to-one and contacting with people like you do when you're occupational therapy most of the time, I find that a little more interesting, so that's really, really excited. 2 years ago, a really cool fun fact about me. 2 years ago, I actually got to work for the Walt Disney Company, which actually in Florida. So I don't know how many of you are from Florida, but I'm from New York, and I got to live in Florida for a little bit, and you guys are really lucky, but Florida is too hot for me to live in, so I'm back in New York, and yeah. New York is definitely not as hot as Florida, but, Florida doesn't have that. They get really cold and snowy type thing. So come and visit New York because it's really cool sometimes. I mean, everything right now is a little bit crazy, but I do think that some streets are open so that you could still social distance. So that's really cool too. It's really interesting actually to see the city kind of a little bit emptier than it's ever been before. But under such insane circumstances, everybody stay safe. Very much looking forward to learning about chemistry. Never took a class with this school before, so I'm really excited. And, yeah, I hope you all do really well. Everyone stay safe, and, let's do this.